All right, I'm at the Universal Studios Hollywood Prop House. What's the suitcase look like?
Silver. It's silver, Mark. Make sure you get the silver one. If you don't get the right silver one, it could mean the end. Go for it.
What's up guys, Stuart Edge here. Today I'm at the Universal Studios Hollywood Prop House, and this is exactly what you think it would be. It's a warehouse 3 stories high filled with props used in movies over the past few decades. Oftentimes when making a film, it's a lot more cost effective to rent your props rather than buy them, because if you buy them, you have to pay for them at full price, and you also have to find a place to store all of those items. So this is a great resource for filmmakers to be able to make some high quality productions without breaking the bank in the props department. Later I'm going to be meeting up with 2 friends of mine who know everything about movies, COSTA and Mark ELLIS. But before then, since we're at Universal Studios Hollywood, let's go check out the park.
We are here at Universal Studios Hollywood, here with COSTA right here. This is my first time here. I feel like this whole day is just going to be Jamie doing impersonations of the characters behind the camera. That's all it's gonna be.
I'm gonna make you a star, kid. I'm gonna make you a star. Put you right on Hollywood Boulevard.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, Patrick! I can't believe we made it all the way to Universal Studios!
Wait! Wait for me! I need a stroller!
Here in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and we've found a space where I can do some magic with my wand. We are here.
Someone might think Stuart Edge is up to something.
The spell is Revelio. Revelio! It didn't work. I'm a muggle.
I can tell you.
Revelio. Whoa! We are in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and we have our butter beers. This is amazing.
It smells exactly like I thought it would. I've never had this before, and I've seen everyone else on Instagram have this but me.
The magic of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter summed up in a nice mug of butterbeer.
Many people that I admire on these walls. Maybe one day you'll be on these walls, Edge.
Now we're heading out of this Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and we're going to go check out some more of these studio tours where we get to actually go to some of the back lots where films are actually being done right now. That's the cool thing about Universal Studios Hollywood, is that there are active movie sets just like a stone's throw away from where you are right now.
You may have noticed that over the years these cars have grown bigger, better,
What I love about Universal Studios Hollywood is how they take the movies and then they put them in real life with their experiences that they put you on, and that's what I try and do with my videos.
That's the guitar from Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. If that guitar could talk, it would say the guy who plays me is very lonely. This is the one that France actually gave us.
This is the one.
And we're like, thank you, France. We're going to look at it and then make a huge one because we like things big in America. But thank you for the thought.
Yep.
So much.
So just in case you need to, you know.
Stuart, it was acting. I'm fine.
Yeah, yeah, I was a little concerned.
It was acting.
Give me the axe, honey. Stuart, love of my life. Give me that axe too, honey.
It's crazy how real they both look.
Now you probably want to know which one's real, which one's not. I'm going to demonstrate the real one. We got our winner.
Then we've got a foam Scott Pilgrim versus the World guitar. The real one we just saw earlier, but this one's foam.
It's like a sponge.
Doesn't hurt. Ouch, kind of hurt a little bit. Now for a segment called Find the Most Insignificant but Oscar-worthy Prop.
You know, you gotta be proud if you get one of these into the Universal Studios. I made that. It's my finest work. It's hard to find there too. It's rare.
You never know.
Really rare.
Someday this is going to be the turning point to a movie, one of the biggest movies in history, and you just made fun of it.
Someone got real lucky and like bought this at the toy shop a long time, Toys R Us, and then like, and the guy was like, perfect. Put it in Universal Prop Shop, so the others can use its brilliance.
Someday, buddy, you will change lives.
Like this guy, he's broken. Another one, Oscar worthy.
You laugh, Jerry. Someday.
Look at that, sir. Oh, I love it. Even its beaks are broken. We want it not perfect.
That should be the award. Like instead of a naked gold guy, you should win a golden owl.
Whew. No way. What? They have it?
What is this?
This is the trash can from It's a Wonderful World.
This is the largest one-day order plaque, and the prestige is on here with 1,541 items rented in a single day.
That's it, Rocky. Go for it. Keep slamming the meat. I want to eat that tonight. Yeah.
Mick, I can't have no more meat.
What do you mean you can't
I can't have no more meat.
You got plenty of meat.
I'm hungry, Mick. I want to eat it.
Awesome, guys. Thanks for watching this episode. Big shout out to Jamie Costa and Mark Ellis, two movie buffs. We know everything about movies. I love having you guys here. I'll put links to the projects and stuff they're doing in the description, so go check that out. We'll see you tomorrow for our behind the scenes of the main video we're doing. But until then, Jamie, if you need a time meter filled with liquor bottles,
Perfect.
you can have this.
That was on the list.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Live life on the edge, guys. It's a great place to be. We'll see you tomorrow.
You guys know where the trash is? That's trash can.